Hi students, welcome back to my channel 90 degree, and let us learn what is a tangent and what is a tangent segment. Before starting this, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel because I make short videos on important topic which will help you to understand maths in a very easy way. So let's start this. So this is a circle with center O. Let us consider line L. So I need to consider a line L. Let us see that. See this. So this is line L and this is point A. This line is touching the circle at how many points? At only one and only one point. So this line L is touching the circle at only one and only one point. Understood? Moving forward. Such a line is called a tangent. So this line L is a tangent to the circle. Now let us define a tangent. A line in a plane of a circle touching the circle at one point is called a tangent. So a tangent is a line passing outside the circle and touching the circle at only one point. You all can see this over here in this figure. The point where the line touches the circle is called the point of contact. So this point A is called what? The point of contact. Moving forward. Here A is the point of contact. So this point A is what? The point of contact. Let us take a point B on the tangent. So I have considered a point B on the tangent over here. When we join A and B, what do we get? Let us observe this. It's highlighted over there. We get a segment, right? So it is a segment. This AB is a segment. Such a segment is called a tangent segment. So it is called a tangent segment. Now let us define this. So this is a tangent segment. Let us see the definition. A segment joining any points on the tangent and the point of contact is called a tangent segment. So tangent segment is a segment. One of the endpoint is what? On the tangent, and the other endpoint is what? A point of contact is called a tangent segment. Understood? You can see this over in the figure. This AB is a tangent segment. Remember, for a tangent segment, one of the endpoint has to be a point of contact. So for a tangent segment, one of the endpoint has to be a point of contact. So this point A, observe this point A. So it is a point of contact. Understood? Yes.